Hello, and thank you for taking the time to join me in this very quick demonstration. Today I'm going to show you the Google Maps plugin that my team has developed here. Actually, as of yesterday, we put the finishing touches with a nice little bow on our first iteration, and as you can see, whenever someone logs into the CRM, they go directly to the dashboard. Once that dashboard gadget loads, it pulls all of a specified grouping of companies directly from the companies table and plots them within the mapping component. Now, I'm going to be adding a pin to Montana, so just take a moment here to make a note that there are no active pins there at the current point in time. So, to demonstrate how this works, we're just going to add a new company. Now, I did some really quick research, active Googling to come up with a dummy one. I do not know who this is, so please bear with me as I get through all of the lovely typing. Falls, Montana, 9405, and we're going to use our favorite Irish testing person. Save that. Now, as I mentioned before, there were no pins on the actual state of Montana, and as you can see, in real time, I have reloaded the page and it's added it to there. If I click on it, we can see it is exactly where it's supposed to be. Now, if I decide to change that, so we have not created a link from that gadget to this one, so that was a bit short-sighted on my part. But if we go here, go to the address table, we can see that the lat long is stored directly in the address table. So if we change this to, let's see, who do we want to use? Actually, I have an idea. We're going to use Detroit Lions, and hopefully I don't get too much flack for using them. But since I know I don't have a pin on Detroit either, let's go ahead and set that too. Save that. Now if we go back here, we'll see that the lat long has already been recalculated. If we go to here, our pin in Montana now resides right here. So in real time, it keeps it up to date, and we're able to modify the address and then have that new value recalculated and added and plotted accordingly. So I mean, it's pretty snazzy. So this is the first iteration of this particular project. We're going to look at creating a entire user interface to where you can drop a pin on a map anywhere on a map and then specify a specific radius. And then based off of that radius, it will create a group within the CRM. From there, we will get additional functionalities such as being able to push to MailChimp. So if you wanted to target market a certain area, if you've got a salesperson going to a certain area and you want to identify specific aspects, whether that be current customers, top customers in the area, prospects, so on and so forth. I mean, that's kind of the idea that we're going with the next iteration. So more to come in the near future. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you found this very interesting.